So friends, this is a paint management video part 5 here. So you maybe not understand because sometimes some people not watching my video part was here. So you must watch my previous video because this is continue this my video here part wise, and I'm continue last my previous video print management part 4 here. So last video I'm told you print management inside different type page and different size, just like letter type A4, A5, A6 type this printer size here. So now in this my video print management part here and continue this video. So let's start here. And this is all of list of computer systems here. So I will discuss in some later video how many NFI size here. So document options means your document page border on off. So printing time you print your document, so you want on off border here. So you can see this not showing some warning here. So what is a warning, why give warning? So first we are check here. So why give this warning here on these options here? So this is a page layout letter type, and letter type in never really you type letters, so not need for page border. So this is a page border give a letter in sometimes that not look like as your printer letter here. So this reason showing warning here. And second is your printer page size very not comfortable for this here. So you can see. And paper quality, what is a paper quality means your paper is a tray your selections means your printer tray available tray 1, tray 2, tray 3. So you are added tray 1 in A4 type page, tray 2 A5 page, and different tray in serving A1, A2, A3, A4 paper paper size. So you want any your printer these not I'm just Dell I35 and laser this model type these properties I'm configure here. And this is only this PC on this paper source work here, not all of computer not other effect these settings printer these settings here. And media means your printer default. Okay, so plain, thick, extra thick, thin, bond, color. So this is a media type here. And printer default means printer select automatically, but involve it is not showing here. And recycle cotton paper, and your cotton paper type paper. And so you can see just so different page for using these using for your automatically by default by settings here. So I'm just click OK and complete my save settings here and apply and OK. So I'm just by showing these preferences for because you understand how many type systems here. And the sharing, what is the sharing means your this one PC. Okay, this one PC I'm using only one printer here, but one printer using a 51 and 25 21 9 8 any PC, lot of PC are using one printer. So that means your printer your not other need a printer for you. So your environment, your 25 PC, and you install printer in 3 PC, 3 PC main PC printer here, and you share your printer with other PC. That means you not need more printer here. So sharing is a very important for so some printer and share other to other computer. So very important for your share one your printer to another your computer. So 3 PC you are add in this system, 1 PC here. So 3 PC using this system here. So if you share this printer only user your network and with your username password this of this computer, and can you printer you will you will not be available when your computer sleeps, and you to change these settings use the. So this is a very important for your computer, your network environment. So lot of PC work in your company, just like 55 computer, 85, 155. So in this type environment, this type network planning in you want to you want minimum 5 printer available in your environment. So very lot of printer using for your computer, you need fast printer machine. So your one printer you can share 50 one you share your printer 21 computer. So that means 21 computer using one this printer, and second printer you share 23 PC, so you can share 23. So second printer using 23 PC. So this is a printer sharing systems here, very important for and a very useful computer for so sharing. So first click on share this printer, and you can see share name. So you can give anything name, just like I give selling department. In selling department in computer 7 selling department in computer, 9 computer available, and 9 computer using this printer. So I'm share this printer, and 9 computer automatically these not directly connect, because I want first configure this printer and IP address manually, and either I connect with my printer server these systems here. So you can see share this printer, and automatically these share computer. So or any computer print give systems. So printer starting this printing troubleshooting here, and render printer you can job on client computer. So you can see MFP share system, and this is a share printer computer name here. So you are share your printer in your company, and your network. So this sharing a name showing your identity of your printer sharing systems here. So you can identify from your network from this my share printer account department, purchase department, anything. And render print job on client computer means render means your printer job any you print your system by your computer client. So this is a use for basically your, just I'm give example first 5 systems here. Okay, so 5 systems computer working in a system using one printer by printer set. So this is a render system drivers. This is a the driver is one type of system printer or share user printer. So that means you're running your PC different version of your Windows, your Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8 Pro. So this is a install additional driver, and that is a very users use for find your printer and printer communication systems and signals with your internet systems here. So this is a very important, and you can see print test page how this using a print test page drivers here. You can see here ports. So what is a ports here? Ports means your this one type of communication systems for a way for ports. So what is a port? I will discuss in network series, but I'm just showing port means the communication system for one type of system. So you can see my first LPT printer port here, and already I'm and here. So Samsung BW Laser PCL6 BIDI class showing here. This is a printing LPT1, and you want add port, delete port, and configure port. So three type systems port configuration options here. So what is a port? Port means one type of communication systems, and I will discuss in main more detail in network video and network series. What is a port? So just this is a printer and printer port LPT1, LPT2, LPT3, COM1, COM2, COM3. So this is a serial port means you can see backside your your motherboard side, your computer backside serial port. So you are using serial port with your printer communication. So this is a showing up serial port here, okay. But LPT1, LPT2, LPT2, A3, so it is using our RJ45 type port here, okay. So I will discuss in network and hardware port here, and you can see here port from different type list of port here, and different working for your technology. So 192.168.0.36 means your computer IP address and printer IP address communication by IP address and network through. So you can see add port. You want add new additional port here. You configure you maybe your new additional. You can see click on here, and you can see this is a copy file from H drive here. So first I'm standard TCP and local port. So two type port systems here. So local port, and so I'm like TCP IP, and TCP IP and click on, and you can see this new wizard showing here, TCP IP printer port wizard. So this is a very give additional port systems here, and you are set new network systems and communication network printer here. So first you want next here, and give IP address your printer network name or IP address you are only installing here. So your printer name or IP address assigned by this port here. So I give a first IP address, and you can see automatically add the port name here. So this is my computer not ID, but this is my printer ID and my port name here. So I'm give new port name here, okay. So I'm just showing a new this my IP for my printer, and printer name here. You can see this is a printer name. I'm give same to name. So if you want add different name for port, so you can give name and give different name, okay. JK CoNG. So this is a find directing. You can see direct first detecting your TCP IP port. So Wi-Fi will automatically move next page, and first detect your in your your network communication this IP address and IP address range here. So you are added this TCP IP port and TCP IP port with other network system. So this check these. So now I'm continue this video part 6 pin management and different type IP address and using configuration systems here. So now in this my video continue this part 6, and the next time I will show you more details and how pin management using by print management these of facilities. Lot of print management available, and these how many type of print management inside the different type options working, and you can using more good perform your printer. So this video part 6 I will continue showing you. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day, and click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, click on like my video.